Okay guys, that was a great way to start the video. But here we go, we're playing Trollface Quest yet again. And today's really different and weird for me and my cat Binky. One, there's another cat in the house, and two, this is Binky's house. So it's really creepy. This is really weird. So if you don't know how to... Oh, this one. I hate this one. I hate this one. I don't know how to do it.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Oh, this is so lag. The sound of it is just horrible. Let me put sound back there. This is Trollface Cinema. I don't watch. I'm gonna let this advert stay on because it looks quite cool. Actually, yeah. Ooh, dragons. I like dragons. Here's what I'm gonna do. Don't know if you can see this on the screen, but by the way, I'm basically writing I hate ads. If you can't see it, I don't know if you can. But yeah. It disappears as soon as I press the X. So. There we go. No, I don't want to. Now, I just got a hint. Come on, that's ridiculous. They can't do that. I just earned a hint. Oh, I earned money. Does that mean I can buy a hint? Something? Let's have a look at these new levels. Oh, I've already done some. Let's try this. I'll start from the beginning. So with this one, I think you have to do... Oh, well. So this one you have to put all these weird things on him. Anything else? Oh no. Whoever made this game is amazing. Oh, what do I have to do? Yeah, I have to get the toilet to pray. Then I have to... Oh! Then I have to... Oh no, you meant to do all this one, so I'm going to move on to the one I was on. So it's this basically, and whenever you press that happens. Which is disgusting.